Today we'll learn that how to learn English very easily with 5 of the most common and easy tips for you people.
Aye. Ashcon. We got big
Most common and easy tips for you people that I searched from many types of educational apps and the very famous English instructors from all over the world, and today we'll know that how to learn English very easily with some of the common and easy tips. When we maintain some of the easy tips and tricks, that I think we can be very fluent in English. And most of the people of our country, and I know that we are not fluent in English, but we can write something. We can listen. When we listen something in English, we can understand that, but we can't say how to say English. English is a second language also, but we want to fluent in English, but sometimes we try to, but we don't know the common 5 tricks to for learning English very easily. So in my life, with my life experience, and also some of the very famous media reports, and also some of the famous English instructors from the world, they say that some of the 5 common tips and tricks for you for the basic English learners. This tip is only, I think you can also practice when you are very expert in English, but it's kind of a very situated for the basic English learners, for the beginners in English speaking. And today we'll talk about that. So Assalamu alaikum, I'm Mujtahid MAsum Sami. You watching Sami Baba's How to Learn English series, and we started a new series, yes, after a long time. In 2022 we have also a very famous series called Sahaj Bhasha Spoken English, and I think the series was really fabulous. And after the series we started How to Learn English series. This is only a common series for the beginners, and I think I will start uploading the presentation video also in this series, that how to describe something, how to describe food, how to describe my favorite things in a common and easy way. So I hope you will like that. And you were watching Samibabaedu, and I need your support. Please follow and subscribe us to merge the society, the platform of Samibabaedu. We are working for the edtech of Bangladesh. We want to edtech industry, and now Samibabaedu is a completely a small thing or small platform, but we have a very big plan to big this platform, inshallah. So let's get started about today's topic, and today we'll talk about some of the most interesting topics, and let's get started. Number 1, there's a 3 number 1 tips. Like in number 1 we'll share 3 of the kind of same types of tips, and that you need to watch English movies and English songs and English cartoons first for the basic learners. When you are able to watch them, and after first time you are not able to understand all of the stuff and all of the things, but after that I think you'll start, you can understand all over these after that. So when you are when you are adjusted the thing to that, I think you will be very adjusted with that thing. So you need to watch English movies, listen to English music and English songs, and also you can watch English cartoons. And second one, read English books. Yeah, a lot of English books like Harry Potter. Harry Potter is, from my side, from my opinion, Harry Potter is not a beginner type of thing. And you need to watch English movies, cartoons, read English books. Then you can talk. You need to communicate with people, with your friend circle or other side, with your parents, with everyone. You need to communicate with them in English. First time you'll say some of the wrong stuff, but after that, when you were very able to talk with them, you have the excitement, I think you level that. There's a third tips. And fourth one, you can use some of the apps like BBC and BBC Learning English, CNN Learning English, and Cake is also a very famous communicator system. And there's many types of you can communicate with other people from the other countries, like hello, say hello, and then Camly, or kind of that. And you can get admission in some of the very famous English academies in our country, and you can join them for a better experience. And that's the main thing. And then the main topic is you need to communicate with people, you need to practice, you need more and more practice to learn English very easily. Without practice you can't do anything, because practice makes a man perfect. Everyone knows that. So you need to practice and watch some of those videos also. And okay, after that I think you will be, and I will share some of the next tips for learning English easily in the next video. Okay, it's a kind of a short video or kind of a trailer for you people that we're starting a new series of that, how to learn English easily. So see you in the next episode with some of the next thing. And I think I will upload a next video with a storytelling video, and the story will be my mother had only one eye, with the Bangla and English version for the meta knowledge. And this is the story. I recorded the video I think 1 month ago, and in that time I was kind of confused, but for any other mistake I'm extremely sorry for the mistake. So see you in the next video with some of the next and extra things. So Assalamu alaikum and stay Samibabaedu.
Aye. Con. We got big stacks, no cap, no facts. I'ma make tracks, make cash, big facts. I'ma hit that, roll back in the bands. I'ma trip, got the Gucci on my lands. I really can't complain.